how to upsell and make a lot of money for your e-commerce store using the permission broadcast message feature of WhatsApp. If you are an e-commerce business owner or an agency owner, please do stick till the end, because today you're going to learn a very simple but very powerful strategy that can bring a lot of additional revenue to your e-commerce store. So without further ado, let's start the show. My name is Anthony and I'm the founder of Alpha Marketer. We are entering episode number 5 of the Conversational Marketing Show. This is your go-to show where you learn how to turn those conversations to conversions, and this is a place where you get the latest and greatest about the conversational marketing industry. So let's understand, whenever I talk about the whole broadcast feature, wonderful feature, WhatsApp has given the official API and they are allowing businesses to broadcast message, but there is a condition. Okay, their condition is simple: please don't misuse WhatsApp like how most companies are misusing SMS and email. It is not a platform to spam people. Okay, you have to understand that WhatsApp is a two-way communication platform. It is a conversational platform, unlike other mediums where you are just broadcasting and not engaging in a conversation. With WhatsApp, you can engage in a conversation in real time using the power of chatbots. Okay, now I have done a detailed video about how to use broadcast feature of WhatsApp the right way. It will help you to to avoid the common mistakes and getting banned by WhatsApp. The video link will be on top of this video or in the description, so do check it out. Super powerful. It will save you a lot of headache. Okay, so do watch it. Now the concept being, you have to start a conversation with people. Okay, that's what WhatsApp wants, and not to send a promotional broadcast. Don't spam them. Okay, so typical example, this is how broadcast shouldn't be done on WhatsApp. Unfortunately, this is an example of a Black Friday sale campaign by a very big brand. Okay, unfortunate, even these big brands are not realizing the power of WhatsApp conversations. Instead, they are spamming and using it like an SMS. Okay, but please note that when people get unsolicited messages, okay, without their permission, somebody is uploading their phone number and sending a broadcast, and it is of super promotional nature, people have the power now. The power is now shifting from the supply side to demand side, basically from the businesses to the customers. So customers can decide what messages they want, what they don't want. Okay, so they can now block your number forever. Okay, why do you want to do that? Okay, if you follow a simple strategy, you are going to be much more welcomed by people than getting blocked on WhatsApp. Okay, so how do we fix this? So we send something called a permission broadcast, where we ask permission to customers if they want to know about our offer. So the goal here is to start a conversation. So we send a message something like this. Again, it's all copywriting, guys. So what we do is we send a message, hi, username or customer name, and then we say that you had purchased XYZ product a couple of months back. Since you have the data, you can mention the product name if you want. So that it becomes much more personal. It is personalized and they feel okay that that you're talking to directly to them. And then we say, as a way of thanking our customers for dash occasion. It can be Diwali, Christmas, New Year, Dashera, whatever it is. Put the festival name there and then say, we are running special customer only VIP sale. Do you want to participate? Again, I am asking for permission to sell. People like when they have control. Okay, they don't want to be like sold. Okay, common behavior, but they like when they are given choices. Okay, that's a normal human behavior. And the options, we give 2 buttons here saying show me the offers or I don't want offers. Natural behavior, since you're not asking for money directly, it's a very subtle call to action. Okay, very soft call to action compared to a buy now. Okay, so they end up clicking on the button saying, say, show me the offers. In most cases, as per our past data, more than 60% of people click on the show me the offer button. Okay. Now, when they click on the button, instantly we have configured a bot which replies saying that, great, here is the offer for you. They asked for the offer and now we are giving the offer. Okay. And we mention all the discounts, what are the great deals that they can get, and we also mention the scarcity element, that this is a limited period offer, it will end by XYZ date or X number of hours, and we point them to the link. It will click on it and then they go and buy. Okay, super effective, super powerful. So again, WhatsApp does not care what response you are giving. In the response you can sell anything you want. Okay, but when it's the first message, that's where you need to be careful. The first message should always be to start a conversation. Here is a pro tip for you. If your business has a telesales team, okay, to assist people to buy the product, then combining WhatsApp and telesales team is a great combination of making even more extra revenue. So what you're gonna do is, you have the data of people. See, there are so many people who will say, okay, I want the offers. They get the offer in the WhatsApp response. They also have the link. They click and some end up buying, some don't buy because they might be busy while they got this message. Okay. Now you can give a gap, maybe a 24 hours gap, and wait for them to buy. If they don't buy, you can pass this data to your telesales team. We have the data here where customer is expressing interest over getting an offer. Okay. If this data is passed on to your telesales team, then your sales team can be very smart enough to call these customers and wish them on the occasion, whether it is Christmas, whether it is New Year, whether it is Diwali. It will look so personalized when the sales team or some human being from the company is calling them and wishing them. It feels so good, right? When customers are treated like VIPs, okay? And over the conversation, they can certainly pitch the offer and sell. Okay, this works like gangbusters for our clients, and the customers are also super happy, okay, that somebody is caring for them and wishing them on the occasion. Okay, in today's day and age, even on festivals, people don't call people and wish them. Instead, they just send a WhatsApp message. In that condition, if somebody is calling them, it feels so good, it feels so special. Okay, so we ran this campaign for one of our clients, and this happened by late October and the first 2 weeks of November. So we ran a series of broadcast campaigns. So it was a festival sale. It was for Diwali, and what we did, we sent this permission broadcast and pitched them a Diwali sale and the offer, and we ended up generating an additional 2.29 lakhs in revenue. Again, this is extra money. Till date, the client did not use WhatsApp as a platform. Okay, so whatever money is being generated here is additional for them. It's a bonus. Okay, and the return on investment is crazy because the cost involved in sending messages is literally peanuts. It's in thousands, but they are getting returns in 6 figures. Okay, so this is crazy ROI. Okay, and you can see the spikes here. So that graph shows when the campaign was sent. So we were sending close to 2,000 to 3,000 broadcast messages every day. We're not sending everything in one shot. Suddenly, if you send 1 lakh messages in one day, generally WhatsApp has limits as to how much you can send. But when you send in big quantities, the service provider, basically WhatsApp, will get scary that you are doing something crazy. So always better to send in small batches. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and found something useful that you can implement in your business right away. And just in case, if you need help in implementing WhatsApp conversational marketing for your e-commerce business, then you can hire us. It's very simple process. Just to go to this link, alphamarketer.in/chat. When you go to this link, my personal WhatsApp assistant, my chatbot, will be welcoming you, and it will educate you about the whole process, and it will also guide you to book a meeting with me. Once you book a meeting with me, and if you're a right fit, then we will be happy to discuss the next steps and implement WhatsApp conversational marketing with you. And if you are a business owner, agency owner, or a freelancer who wants to learn WhatsApp conversational marketing and make it as an additional revenue for your business, then also same procedure, just go to this link alphamarketer.in/chat, and my chatbot will guide you to enroll the wait list of my premium mentorship and coaching program on WhatsApp conversational marketing. Okay, there's always an alternative way because it is WhatsApp, you have the freedom. Now just send a hi, just send a WhatsApp message hi to this number +91 733 884 2395. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. It will greatly help me to reach out to more and more people and help them grow their business with WhatsApp conversational marketing. Thank you so much, and bye bye.